Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Turbo C or C++ in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this method will work for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. So open any browser and guys search here Turbo C++. You can. So guys, just you have to search this website studyopedia.com, and here guys you have to click on this C++. In this website you will find all useful softwares. Now here guys, click on this link, install Turbo C++. Now click on this downloading link, download Turbo C++, and once this downloading process will be complete, open your file explorer and copy this zip file. Now open C drive, then create a new folder and type here TC Turbo C++. Now open this folder and paste here that zip file. Now extract all. Now here guys, open this folder. Now here click on this setup file. Now here click on next, accept, then next, and install. It will ask permission, so click on yes, and here click on finish. Now you can open Turbo C++. Just click on start and type here Turbo, this one. So open it, and once you open you will see this options. Just click on start Turbo C++. That's it. So this is the way guys you can download and install Turbo C++ in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not, and guys, if you're facing any problem, error, or you want to learn how to use this C++, so just you have to comment. And if you think this video is useful, so share, like, and subscribe this channel.